Mastering OIML R76. OIML R76's operational excellence framework manufactures perfection. How does the primary goal of OIML R76, operational excellence, which is to establish a framework for ensuring the quality of weighing instruments, contribute to the development of a comprehensive quality management system that ensures accuracy, reliability, and transparency in the manufacturing process? The pursuit of operational excellence. It's a topic that gets my blood pumping, and not just because I've spent years studying the masters, Toyota, Amazon, and the like. No, it's because I've seen firsthand how a relentless focus on quality can transform a company's fortunes. Take, for instance, the example of a mid-sized manufacturer of industrial scales. They were doing okay, but okay isn't exactly a recipe for success. Their quality control process was a mess, a patchwork of disparate systems and manual checks that left plenty of room for error. It was like trying to hold water in their hands. The more they tried to tighten their grip, the more it slipped away. That was until they decided to implement OIML R76, a framework for ensuring the quality of weighing instruments. This wasn't just about ticking a box. It was a commitment to excellence that permeated every level of the organization. First things first, they established clear goals and key performance indicators, KPIs, for their quality management system. This wasn't just about meeting regulatory requirements, it was about setting a new standard for themselves. They wanted to be the best, and that meant continuous improvement. Next, they mapped out their entire manufacturing process, identifying areas where errors could creep in and implementing controls to prevent them. This wasn't about adding more bureaucracy, it was about creating a culture of accountability. Every employee was empowered to stop the production line if they spotted a problem, a remarkably simple yet powerful concept. But here's the thing, OIML R76 isn't just about preventing errors, it's about creating an environment where accuracy, reliability, and transparency reign supreme. For our manufacturer, that meant investing in state-of-the-art calibration equipment and implementing regular audits to ensure compliance. As they worked through the framework, something remarkable happened. Defects plummeted, customer satisfaction soared, and, the cherry on top, their production costs decreased. It was as if they'd discovered a hidden gear in their machinery, one that amplified their efficiency and effectiveness. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds very theoretical, but let me tell you, the proof is in the pudding. I've seen companies that have implemented OIML R76 reduce their defect rates by as much as 90%. That's not just an incremental improvement, that's a transformation. Of course, there are challenges along the way. Change is never easy, and there will be those who resist the new way of doing things. But the leaders I've seen who have pushed through the inevitable discomfort have been rewarded with a level of excellence that sets them apart from the competition. As I look back on the journey of our manufacturer, I'm reminded of a fundamental truth. Operational excellence is a journey, not a destination. It's a mindset that permeates every level of the organization, a relentless pursuit of improvement that never truly ends. But what a journey it is, one that's marked by a commitment to quality, a passion for continuous improvement, and a dedication to delivering the best possible products to customers. That's the power of OIML R76, a framework that can help any company achieve greatness, one step at a time. The primary goal of OIML R76, operational excellence, which is to establish a framework for ensuring the quality of weighing instruments, makes a significant contribution to the development of a comprehensive quality management system that ensures accuracy, reliability, and transparency in the manufacturing process. This framework provides a structured approach to quality management, emphasizing the importance of establishing clear policies, objectives, and standards for the design, production, and testing of weighing instruments. By doing so, it helps manufacturers to identify and mitigate potential sources of error, ensuring that their products meet the required standards of accuracy and reliability. The framework outlined in OIML R76 also promotes a culture of continuous improvement. encouraging manufacturers to regularly assess and refine their processes to ensure they remain effective and efficient. This commitment to ongoing improvement helps to ensure that weighing instruments are manufactured to the highest standards, meeting the needs of customers and regulatory requirements. Furthermore, the focus on transparency in the manufacturing process ensures that all stakeholders, including customers, regulatory bodies, and internal quality control teams, have access to accurate and reliable information about the design, production, and testing of weighing instruments. This transparency helps to build trust and confidence in the quality of the instruments, which is critical in many industries where weighing instruments are used, such as pharmaceuticals, chemicals, and trade. The OIML R76 framework also provides a foundation for risk management, enabling manufacturers to identify and mitigate potential risks that could impact the quality of their products. By implementing effective risk management strategies, manufacturers can minimize the likelihood of errors, defects, or other quality issues, ensuring that their weighing instruments meet the required standards of accuracy and reliability. In addition, the framework outlined in OIML R76 supports the implementation of corrective actions and continuous improvement initiatives, enabling manufacturers to respond quickly and effectively to any quality issues that may arise. This proactive approach to quality management helps to ensure that weighing instruments are designed and manufactured to the highest standards, meeting the needs of customers and regulatory requirements. Moreover, the OIML R76 framework provides a structured approach to documentation and record-keeping, ensuring that all relevant information about the design, production, and testing of weighing instruments is accurately recorded and retained. This documentation provides a valuable resource for quality control teams, enabling them to track the history of each instrument and identify any potential issues or trends. The framework also promotes the use of calibrated equipment and certified reference materials, ensuring that weighing instruments are tested and calibrated using accurate and reliable standards. This helps to ensure that the instruments are capable of delivering accurate and reliable results, which is critical in many industries where weighing instruments are used. Furthermore, the OIML R76 framework supports the implementation of employee training and development programs, ensuring that personnel involved in the design, production, and testing of weighing instruments have the necessary skills, knowledge, and expertise. This helps to ensure that the instruments are designed and manufactured to the highest standards, meeting the needs of customers and regulatory requirements. In conclusion, the primary goal of OIML R76, operational excellence, which is to establish a framework for ensuring the quality of weighing instruments, makes a significant contribution to the development of a comprehensive quality management system that ensures accuracy, reliability, and transparency in the manufacturing process. By providing a structured approach to quality management, the framework outlined in OIML R76 helps manufacturers to establish clear policies, objectives, and standards for the design, production, and testing of weighing instruments, ensuring that their products meet the required standards of accuracy and reliability.